To draw a foot from profile, start by drawing a horizontal line, and then a large vertical line perpendicular to it. Draw 2 lines on the left side like this. The bottom line must be parallel to the top line. Draw 2 lines representing the ankle here. Then, divide the bottom of the foot into 3 equal parts. Next, we're going to add marks for the prominent foot bones where we'll later add relief. Note that we're drawing the foot from the left side. The first mark is in the first third of the upper section. The second is much larger and covers almost the entire first third of the lower section. Here, we'll label them A and B. Separate the upper 2 thirds like this. Now we can begin to draw the foot. Draw the tip of the big toe here. Draw the arch of the foot in the center between A and B. Note that it should bend inward without touching the ground. Draw a line representing the top of the foot like this. Then, draw a horizontal line extending up toward the ankle. Now, draw the big toe like this. Since we're using a profile perspective, we only see this toe. Draw the nail. Erase any unnecessary lines. Add the outlines and reliefs like this. To finish, add a relief here.